Welcome everyone. Now let's create a GitHub repository for working with the project. But first, let's try to understand what this particular GitHub website does for you. It let you create a repository. In software industry, we many a times call it in a shortcut way repo. And repository is basically a directory or a space where you can keep all your project, and that project can be shared across the different users, and then the user can put their information or the project into that particular location. So in order to create the repository or the space where your project will rest, so what you need to do is open the GitHub with your login. After login onto the dashboard, you will see that there is a plus sign in the right top corner. Just click on that and click on new repository. Once you click on new repository, it will ask you, it will show your username and then followed by the repository name that you want to work with. So let's say I want to create the project, the first project. So that's why I'll write the project name as project 0. And if you want to write some description for the project, you can do it. The repository can be public and private. If it is private, then only the whitelisted email IDs can check in the code into your Git repository. And if it is public, everyone can look into your code. Then for now, I'll make it public for now, and just click on the create repository. Once you click on create repository, it will create a URL for you. So this is the URL for your current Git repository location. So it is https://github.com /programming tree /project0.git. And this is the shareable URL you have for your project now. And the same URL will be used to store the information onto the Git repository. Currently, whatever we are going to put onto this repository can be maintainable within your local laptop or a desktop, and then the same information can be available online onto this Git repository location. So how everything will be manageable and how to work with the Git commands and all, we'll see it in our upcoming session. Stay tuned.